Welcome back. Let's make some dragon's beard candy. Scale out 250 grams of granulated sugar, 25 grams of corn syrup. To that, add a quarter teaspoon of white vinegar and about 127 grams of water. Pop that on the stove and go ahead and cook it at medium-high heat with your candy thermometer. You'll want to take it up to 271 degrees. Pour that hot sugar into a silicone donut mold mat. Grab a lot of cornstarch and a Tupperware container. Once cooled, unmold that ring of sugar. This is the tricky part. Keep even pressure at the same time stretching the ring. You'll twist it into a figure eight and then you'll go ahead and pull it out again. You'll keep repeating this step and dredging it into the cornstarch. And be sure to use a lot of cornstarch each turn. The longer you pull, you'll start getting these fine threads of sugar. And look at how gorgeous this turned out. Not bad for my first try. Be sure to like, comment, follow, and share. Thanks for stopping by.